Hello friends, this is Sai Fanendra from SQL School. I assure you practical classes from scratch, right from the basics. I value your time and your beautiful, awesome resume. Let's shape it carefully together. Over 19 years of technical expertise completely on Microsoft technologies and big data platform. I assure you step-by-step classes, practical approach in every aspect. And in our classes, in our actual Power BI classes, which are mainly meant for real-time activities. Instead of academic learning, we are more into real-time learning activities from scratch, right from the basics. I assure you interactive classes. At the same time, concept-wise assignments, real-time project, and if your interviewer asks you what you did in your project, what are the challenges you faced in your project, what are the tools you used in the actual design of your reports, or what kind of optimization techniques you involved in your reporting activities, what kind of AI components involved in your project. Our course has technical, practical answers for all these questions, common questions. Either you plan for data analyst job role, Azure data engineer job role, Fabric data engineer job role, or even data science, our Power BI course will definitely help you a lot in all aspects. Because we'll take it from the very scratch, from the basics, understanding the complete ecosystem of Power BI with cloud and AI concepts. We have 30 plus scenario activities, 50 plus Power Query examples, 50 plus DAX, and 50 plus cloud concepts. Additionally, we have real-time project. The subject is bit vast, but for our course, for our cause, for our resume. In this vast, beautiful Power BI course, we'll start from the scratch with Power BI basics. All visualizations on my screen you see there. Then 50 plus examples on Power Query, 50 plus on cloud, and 50 DAX, data analysis expression items, DAX expressions. And what are the prerequisites? To step into our wonderful Power BI classes, we need to have knowledge on MS SQL. So let's start with MS SQL first and then slowly step into Power BI next. However, if you're already aware of MS SQL concepts, you can directly go for Power BI. MS SQL 3 weeks, Power BI 4 weeks, total 7 weeks journey. And my classes will be Monday to Friday because weekends we have case studies. So we'll start from the scratch database fundamentals to tuning architecture and good number of queries, about 400 plus queries in yellow box, the SQL module. Then go for Power BI. Once again, if you're already aware of SQL, you can straight away step into Power BI. Choice is yours. So we have 3 plans, 3 training options in our beautiful Power BI course. Plan A, core Power BI. Plan B, SQL with Power BI. Plan C, SQL, Power BI, Python for data analyst job role. Any plan you take, we have real-time project. However, I strongly recommend you go for B or C. Either B or C so that we need not miss the very important background or the basement MS SQL concepts. The backdrop of Power BI is MS SQL. In all aspects, let's not miss it. And I am there to guide you for certification, resume preparation, as well as for complete project requirement, solution, project FAQs. These things I'll take care part of the course, and let's meet live for a live demo session. Let's meet live for an intro class, an interactive class, and let's understand more about our course step by step, understand the type of material, type of project, type of examples, and the takeaways. Thank you so much. See you there in the live demo session. You have the schedules on our website sqlschool.com, or you can reach me directly on the number you see on my screen, or reach our team down here, the number you see on my screen. Top number, my contact number, direct number there. You can contact me on LinkedIn or reach our team. Either way, you get the schedules for the live demo session. Thank you so much and have a nice time. See you there in the live demo session. Thank you so much once again.